this is Ricky from down in Widewater, DIW. Alright, so bringing you a little DIY video here this afternoon. And the big beautiful garage. I need to get it locked up. You know, the garage doors have the little slide locks on them. But I need to get a lock on the door, entrance door, man door, whatever you want to call this thing. And we have this this Wyze code lock, extra lock that I have here, and it's already got a code in it. We can put it on here, and then I'll just have to get a dummy lock, a dummy knob for the bottom. So this here works really well. It is not Wi-Fi, it's only Bluetooth. It will connect to the Wyze app, but it will only connect if the phone is close enough. But that's all I need. It runs off batteries. The batteries last for a really long time. And it's two parts. This part goes outside for the code, obviously, and then the little deadbolt part goes on this side here. So we're gonna get you set up here so we can start installing this. And you know, if you have, you ever get one of these locks and want to know how to do it, there you go. And anyways, we'll get set up here. Alrighty here, YouTube. So first you have the little deadbolt thing here that basically is going to slide in right here, just like that. Actually, I think we're going to have to shorten it up a little bit here. And so this is adjustable. So like right now, it's you know, it won't go all the way in. You see this little gap right here? But if you take and twist it like that, and it has a top on it. Shows top right there, you slide that back in there, then it works perfect. Now I am missing a couple of screws to this thing here. It's been moved around a lot, so we're just gonna stick one screw in it for right now until I get another one. And then this part here is going to wind through here, just like that. And then I'm going to move you guys around here. And this backing plate is going to go on next. And it does have top on it too. This wire here goes through this little hole right here, like that. And you got to get that lined up here. And then you got these two screws. And this might take a second or two to get lined up. Like that. And then the other one goes just like that. Okay, and we're going to try to, all right, then we're going to take the drill and we're going to snug these up. Make sure we got her lined up. Make sure that looks level. Same thing on the other side over here. So that's pretty close. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten her up a little bit. There we go. All right. So really, folks, that's really a lot to it there. And then this right here, so this, you got a little connection here, and you see this little red line right there, it's going to match up with that red line right there. So you just take this and got to get her lined up. And then it just snaps right in place like that. And then We're going to get this lined up like that, just like so. There. Actually, need to pop these batteries out. Let's see. I got a screw that goes here, then one that goes right behind the battery. Actually, let's put the bottom one in first. Oh, one that goes right in here, like that. Now we'll pop out these batteries. I can't remember where it's probably in the top there. Oops. Yeah, actually I think I might be able to get it without taking all the battery out. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and just get it pulled out anyways. There we go. There we go. Nice and tight. Now we'll put the battery back in. That one right there. That one right there. And then this pops right there like that, nice and sealed. And then close the door up, and there you go. And now I think I have to ask my son what the code was again. Nope. Dang it, I forgot what the code was supposed to be. All right, well, anyways, if you want to know programming, how to program it, you can go to the Wyze site. And they have all this information on their site that you can do, put that in. So, but locks works perfect. Now we can lock the big beautiful garage up, everybody. So anyways, a little short video. Popped it on that quick and easy. Y'all can do it too. So, all right, this is Ricky from down in Widewater. We are out.